Hello guys, so for today's video, I will show you on how to find the key and the BPM of any song. Alright, so let's get started. So let's say meron ka ng beat and you want to sing or maybe rap on it. Syempre, you will have to know the key of the song in order for you to record it properly with auto-tune. And also, it is important na alam mo yung BPM ng kanta para di ka mahirapan maglagay ng mga time-based effects just like the delay time. And I will demonstrate all of this by using plugins and also through using websites. First is, let's find the BPM of the song. I'm inside my FL Studio session. Ito yung beat. Right now, it's in the 140 BPM. As you can hear, it's not the correct tempo of the song. Now, the very simple way to find the BPM of this beat inside FL Studio is this. First, I will remove itong parang konting silence. Next is by left-clicking here, tas detect tempo. Usually, ang sinaselect ko dito is 75 to 150. I will select this and just wait a little bit. Tas eto na yung BPM niya, 148 BPM. Let's listen if nasa correct tempo na ba siya. Alright, so the next thing is paano natin malalaman yung key na itong beat. So, double-click dito sa track, right-click dito, edit in audio editor, tas right-click regions, detect pitch regions, tas zoom ka lang sa pinaka-first note ng beat. So now we know na it's in the key of G. So by knowing the key kasi is di ka na mahihirapan mag-record with auto-tune or mixing it in the post. Now, meron din other methods na by using plugins. I will pull up auto key. This will detect automatically the beat of the song once I will play it. Just make sure lang na nasa may insert ng beat mo siya nilagay. So I will press play. And just like that, na-detect niya na nasa G minor yung key ng beat. Also, I have another plugin. If wala ang auto key, you can use atong scale finder. Same procedure lang, just play and wait for it to detect the key. So here it is, same lang sila ng na-detect, nasa G minor. Right, so if you don't have those plugins, meron din naman option or other method using websites. Meron akong dalawang websites na marirecommend na gamitin ninyo. Etong tunebat.com and vocalremover.org. In TuneBat, just click here, key and BPM finder. Tapos select mo lang yung beat and just wait for it to analyze. So here it is. Same lang sila ng na-detect na key and BPM, G minor and 148 BPM. Now, dito naman sa vocalremover.org, click dito, BPM finder, tas select again yung beat mo, tas wait again for analyzing. And just like the others, same lang sila ng result. So that is basically it guys kung paano malaman ang key and BPM ng isang track. So if nakatulong tong video sa inyo, please like or share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe guys. Thanks for watching. Happy mixing and bye-bye.
Yeldo on the track.